To set a stop loss on Webull options, start by logging into your Webull account and navigating to the trade page. From there, select the Options tab and choose the specific option you want to trade. Once you have selected your option, click on the Order Type drop-down menu and select Stop Limit. A stop limit order is a type of order that allows you to set a stop price and a limit price. The stop price is the price at which the stop limit order is triggered, and the limit price is the price at which the order is executed. To set a stop loss, you will need to set the stop price below the current market price for a long position, or above the current market price for a short position. For example, if you are long a call option and the current market price is $10, you may want to set a stop loss at $8. This means that if the price of the option falls to $8, the stop limit order will be triggered and the order to sell the option will be executed at the limit price. It is also important to consider the limit price when setting a stop loss. The limit price should be close to the stop price, but not so close that it is executed immediately. A good rule of thumb is to set the limit price 0.05 to 10 cents away from the stop price. In addition to setting a stop loss, it is also important to consider position sizing and risk management. This means determining how much of your portfolio to allocate to each trade, and how much risk you are willing to take on. A good rule of thumb is to risk no more than 2% of your portfolio on each trade. By following these steps and considering these key concepts, you can effectively set a stop loss on Webull options and manage your risk. Remember to always prioritize risk management and position sizing when trading options, and to never risk more than you can afford to lose.